We will discuss some word problem of exercise 3.2 and 3.3. The first problem is 5 pencil and 7 pen together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencil and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 pen. So here we assume let cost of 1 pencil is equal to rupees X and the cost of 1 pen is equal to rupees Y. According to question, there are two conditions. 5 pencils plus 7 pens cost is rupees 50. Means this will be 5x plus 7y. एक पेंसिल x रुपीज की है तो 5x की हो जाएगी. ये फर्स्ट इक्वेशन हो गई. सेकंड कंडीशन इज व्हाट? इट इज गिवन दैट 7 पेंसिल्स प्लस 5 pens cost is rupees 46. So 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Equation number 2. We will solve these equations by any method. You will get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. So cost of a pencil, we assume x and the value of x is 3. So cost of a pencil will be rupees 3 and cost of a pen we assume rupees y and y is 5. So it is rupees 5. Next question number 5. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of garden. Dimension means length and breadth. So let length of garden, and garden is what? Rectangular. Is equal to x meter and the width or breadth is equal to y meter. Now according to question, the first condition is length is 4 more than its width, means length is equal to breadth plus 4. breadth से 4 ज्यादा है, means x is equal to y plus 4, means x minus y is equal to 4. This is the first condition. Now also given that half of its perimeter, half of perimeter is equal to 36 meter, means half of perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 36. 2 cancel, length is what? X, breadth is y is equal to 36. Easily we can solve these equations by elimination. If you will solve by elimination, you will get x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 16. So length will be what? 20 and the breadth will be y means 16. So length will be what? 20 meter and the breadth will be what? 16 meter. Next question from exercise 3.3, question number 3, part number 1. The difference between two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times the other. We have to find out the number. So we assume here let numbers are x and y. Also assume x is greater than y. So according to question, their difference is what? 26. Means x minus y is equal to 26. This is the first condition. Secondly, it is given that one number is 3 times other. One number is equal to 3 into other number. It is 3 times of other number. So x is equal to 3 into y, 3y. This is the second condition. X minus 3y is equal to 0. Second equation. By using any method, we can solve these equations. And if we will solve, we will get x is equal to 39 and y is equal to 30. So numbers are 39 and 30. Next question, exercise 3.3, question number 3, part number 2nd. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. Two angles are there. So assume here let angles are x and y. Also x is greater than y. So according to question, these are supplementary angles. So we know that the sum of supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. Means x plus y is equal to 180. This is the first equation. Second, larger exceed smaller by 18. Larger angle is equal to smaller angle plus 18. X is equal to y plus 18. Means x minus y is equal to 18. This is second equation. So easily by elimination we can solve these two equations. If you will solve, then we will get x is equal to 99 and y is equal to 81. इनको सोल्व करेंगे तो ये आपको मिलेंगे. ये आपके क्या एंगल्स होंगे? सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल 99 and 81. Exercise 3.3, question number 3, part number 3. The coach of a cricket team buy 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buy 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So here we assume that cost of each bat is equal to rupees x and each ball, cost of each ball is equal to rupees y. According to question, the first condition is what? Cost of 7 bats and 6 balls. 7 bats and 6 balls is equal to rupees 3,800. Means it is 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. One bet की cost rupees x थी तो 7x हो जाएगी, 6y हो जाएगी. Second condition is what? Cost of 3 bets. Cost of 3 bets and 5 balls is equal to rupees 1,750. So 3 bets will be of 3x, 5 balls will be of 5y is equal to 1,750. Second equation. Solve this equation by any method. You will get x is equal to 500 and y is equal to 50. Means cost of each bet will be rupees 500 and cost of each ball will be rupees 50. Next question from exercise 3.4, question number 2, part number 4th. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2,000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. We have to find out number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 100 notes. So we assume let number of rupees 50 notes is equal to x and number of rupees 100 notes is equal to y. According to question, first condition is total amount and total amount is equal to rupees 2000. Total amount means x note of 50 means 50x, तो रुपीज 50 का अमाउंट हो जाएगा और y नोट ऑफ रुपीज 100y is equal to 2000. If you will divide it by 50, you will get x plus 2y is equal to 40. This is first condition. One more thing is given, total notes is equal to 25. Total note कितने 25 है, means x plus y is equal to 25. ये सेकंड इक्वेशन हो गई. इजीली हम दोनों को सोल्व कर पाएंगे. सोल्व करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 15. Hence what number of rupees 50 notes is equal to 10 and rupees 100 notes is equal to 50.
अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरन सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक करें ताकि मजीद आने वाली वीडियो